Now, literally, this is a very important one. It will save you time and it will get you a perspective of what you're filming. Before you take off, hover. Now, I know this advice has two aspects. The first one is, you know, take off, go as far as high as you can, as safely it is. Obviously you have to know your regulations, but you can actually identify any malfunction. You're gonna see if your drone is working properly. You can avoid any issue if you just fly immediately high as fast as you take off. And I know we spoke about this earlier, but you also want to make sure that everything is really literally working properly in your drone. You take off, you let it hover about a few seconds. You will know if you have an issue with the propeller. You're going to know if your satellites are connected. You're going to know if your gimbal is working properly, if there is some dust in it. It might get stuck if you left your cover, your holder, the gimbal holder that usually the Mavic has. Now, you need to know that everything is working properly. You can also see the location that you're in. If there is a mountain, if there is a river, wherever you parked and you have your drone with you, you do not know what's, you know, across the hill or next to you. So it is a nice idea to know the area that you're flying, obviously beforehand, but also at the start of your flight. What I usually do is I make, let's say, a small pathway in my head, like it's a small map, so I know that I'm going to fly from the trees to the beach, or from the beach to the mountains, or uphill, or in a way like you see in this area. Obviously I know where I'm flying because this is a place we visit a million times, but at the same time it is always best to have a proper course and to know the area that you will be flying at. Also, do you see this electricity post? You need to know if there are posts like that. You will not be able to see them from the screen of your controller or phone unless you can actually see the post in that area. You will definitely not be able to see the cables, and your sensors, especially the frontal ones, might not be able to see them. This will be something that you will definitely miss if it's a bit sunny. Sometimes it doesn't have to be sunny at all. You can have um, the screen sensitivity at the maximum level. Sorry, the photo sensitivity can actually be on the max level, but you will not be able to see that because it's going to be a bit sunny and the cable is very short, very thin. Thin is the proper word to use. So always hover above, see where you're flying and if your drone is working properly. Until the next one, do leave a like and do subscribe. Do subscribe again, because it is very, very important to know what you're doing. And I'm going to help you with it. Until the next one. Cheers.